as a cleaner at the district, who's also a bus driver for our learners, camps, for our officials, who is always wearing a positive attitude, very infectious. They can do attitude. Ntate Captain. Ntate Captain. Ntate Captain. He's a cleaner, he's a bus driver, MEC, all over. When others MEC say the budget is depleted for overtime, for someone who was a student, a learner in this province, MEC, someone who studied engineering, coming from a single parent family. After he has succeeded, MEC, he established a project to assist the Free State learners who will be doing engineering in the Western Cape, especially University of Cape Town. MEC, someone who will come in all the districts to teach maths and science, to sleep in the classrooms with those learners. MEC, this person by profession is a captain in the South African Defence Force, is a fourth year, if not a fifth year, medical student at the University of Stellenbosch. Someone who will pay for his flights, MEC, to come and support our learners weekends. Go to Linyora Latuto, go to Kronstadt, go to Kwakwa, go everywhere. But we have adopted him as the son of Motheo, as the believer. We appreciate him, MEC. We should not appreciate him, MEC, when he can't hear. We'll be telling people who will be attending that particular occasion when he can't hear that we appreciate him. He must go an extra mile, Chief. Captain Sibetwan.